Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to make this stitch that is used to make jewelry like bracelets and cords. You can make a necklace with this stitch as well. I have used 4-ply cotton to make this bracelet. I'll just show you how it looks like on the arm. And then I have this thread here. You can add beads to add beauty at here, make a knot here at the end, add a bead here, and knot here, add bead here, and you can add charms in the bracelet as well. Let's see how to make this stitch to make this jewelry. We will make a slip knot first to start our work, and then make 2 chains. Now we need to make 1 single crochet in the second chain from hook. Okay, now here you have to look on your right side. If you see a right side, you can see a loop here. We have to go in this loop now, and then turn your work slightly like this and make a single crochet in this loop. Now again you have to look on the right side. We can see here 2 loops. Now we have to bring our hook in these 2 loops. And then make a single crochet in that one. When the stitch is complete, again you have to look on your right side here, and then you can see 2 more loops. So again we will go in these 2 loops. Make the stitches a bit loose so you don't have to work hard to go in the stitches. Make a single crochet. If the stitch is tight, then it's hard to make a stitch here. So try to keep it loose. Make a single crochet. Again we will keep looking on the right side, and we will keep finding these 2 loops here on the right side, and we will keep making single crochet in this one. So this is the pattern. Make a single crochet, and again you can see 2 loops on the right side. We will go again in these 2 loops and make a single crochet. Again there are 2 loops on the right side. So this is the pattern. Once you are satisfied with the length, then you can finish it off there. Just simply keep going in the 2 loops on the right side and make a single crochet in there. Once the stitch is complete, then look for next 2 loops on the right side and then make single crochet. When you are done making first single crochet, then you see that there is only 1 loop, but after making the second single crochet, you will keep seeing 2 loops for every stitch, so on. Keep making like this and continue doing until you are done with the length of the bracelet or whatever you're making with this stitch. Let's complete it and I'll see you at that. At this stage my cord is about 9 inches long, and I made it slightly bigger because I want to turn into a bangle rather than a bracelet. So you see it's that big, so I can slide it easily on my arm without worrying about tying or opening. I just slide it like a bangle. If you want to tie, I'll show you how to tie as well, but let's finish it off here and close the bangle, and then we will learn how to make the tie if you want to use as a bracelet. So here we will finish off, and then we will use our yarn needle to tie it here. I made it quite big because I like loose If you want to make it in smaller sizes, just simply make smaller. And I'll place it like this and then stitch it together. Try to make small stitches only in the middle. Go back once or two times again and then skewer it more by making few more stitches. So that's it. This is our bracelet, and I can slightly glide it easily on my wrist, and if I want I can make it slightly smaller as well, and if you want to make bigger you can do it as well. Just add more stitches to make it big and make less stitches to make it small. Now let's see how to make the knot. If you want to make the knot one, if you don't want to use it as a bangle and you want to use as a bracelet, so what you do, first you make a simple knot like normally knots are made, and then we make one knot on each side like this. I have a smaller yarn, and now we will do the same thing on the other strap as well, other side as well, like that. Now we will use this right strand and put it in the knot of the left strand, and we will do the same thing. We will take the left strand and put it in the knot of the right strand knot, and then we will pull them together at the same time, and that's how you get this kind of knot. Mine is not working properly, but that's how it normally it is made. Maybe I have shorter yarns, that's why it's not, but you can easily make it bangle like this. Here I made the same thing and it is working perfectly fine. Maybe it's because of the yarn as well. This yarn is cotton and this yarn is cotton as well, but that is thicker and this is not that thick. You can see the same knot is working on this one in this bracelet. So you can make it in different colors and different fabrics, whatever you like. I hope you like the pattern, and thank you so much for watching. See you next video. If you like the video, make sure to give it like, and see you next video. Until then, have a nice time.